Hi guys, I am back at you with another weight loss vlog. So I've come to the conclusion that I need to do these weight loss vlogs because the last month that I haven't been vlogging, I haven't really lost any weight. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I did. Like, I lost maybe about like 3 pounds in a month, but I just feel like I kept like slipping off the wagon just because I wasn't holding myself accountable with these vlogs. Like, when I do this, like, I want to show you guys what I eat. So I want to eat healthy. Like, I want to give you guys content. So I try to at least do some kind of workout. But when I wasn't vlogging, I really wasn't doing anything. Like, I was still doing keto, but even on the weekends, I would cheat a lot. And that really wasn't helping my weight loss because it takes time for your body to get back into ketosis. And if I cheated all weekend, I basically spent the week trying to get back in ketosis, and maybe I'd lose a pound here and there, or maybe one week I wouldn't lose anything. So I feel like these vlogs are good for not only you guys, because I know that you guys wanted them back, but for me as well. Like, it holds me accountable. And I feel like when I did these weight loss vlogs, I, lost more weight and I was just better in my keto journey. So I'm gonna bring them back and I'm gonna do my best to incorporate more activity. And by the way, I am still intermittent fasting, which is I eat from 11 to 7. Today I ate a little earlier. I ate my breakfast at like 10:30 just because yesterday I had a shake at around 5 and then I didn't eat anything else. So that's why I was able to eat a little bit early, and my schedule's a little weird today. Aria has therapy, so I had to drop her off at 11, and that's like smack in the middle of the time I'm supposed to eat. So I ate a little bit earlier. So just, if you are doing intermittent fasting, just try to find something that accommodates, like a time frame that accommodates your schedule, so that you're eating at the right times and stuff like that, and you're doing it properly so it works. So I'm gonna do some chores around the house right now, and then when I pick up Aria, we're gonna go on a walk. If it's not raining, because it's a little gloomy out in Miami right now. But if it doesn't rain, we're gonna go out on a walk and perhaps do some squats and some other activity. All right guys, so I decided to put on a waist trainer. I know that this is like a super controversial topic. A lot of people think it's bad for you. A lot of people swear by it. It really just depends on your preference. But I'm Hispanic, so I grew up in a household where fajas, which is a waist trainer, are everything. Like, I've been wearing waist trainers since I was like 10. A lot of people might think it's freaking crazy, but being a Hispanic, like, I don't know, that was like something that our grandmas, our moms, like everybody, our grandmas or moms, like everybody would tell us to put on a faja. And me, that I was always a chubby girl, like that was like a thing, like, oh, put on a faja so you can lose weight, or so you can slim down your waist, or whatever it is, or put on a waist trainer, whatever you want to call it. So that was like something really big in our Hispanic culture, so I've been wearing it forever. I haven't really worn a waist trainer in a really long time. Like, I bought this like 3 or 4 years ago when it was like a huge like thing. I had bought this one, and honestly, it fits me super comfortably. Like, it's on the last little thing, the last row of like buckles. When I first bought this, like, I couldn't even put this on, kind of thing. Like, Caesar would have to help me in the morning to put it on. So now that I'm wearing it and it's like super comfortable, I don't mind wearing it. I think I'm just gonna start doing it for our walks. So I know this is not a miracle worker. I know this is not gonna make me skinny, but I feel like it will help me sweat and maybe help with my skin when I do some kind of active exercise. So that's what we are gonna be doing. We're gonna go for a walk with our waist trainer. It is Wednesday, so I'm about to have my first meal of the day, and it is shredded chicken. My dad actually cooked this last night, and he cooked it kind of like vaca frita, which is like Hispanic shredded meat with onions and peppers, and you like pan fry the meat once it's already cooked and shredded. So he did that same concept but with chicken, because I had done chicken Alfredo last night, so he just took some chicken on the side and did that. So I'm having that. I had some onions, some peppers. I fried an egg on top, and I put a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese and a side of a half avocado. And that is what I'm going to be eating for my first meal of the day. It is Thursday, the day before weigh-in day, and I'm honestly feeling really thin. I mean, I've been eating more or less the same things, but I have been working out and I've been drinking the pink juice. I don't think I've showed you guys what the pink juice is. It is I'll insert a picture of it right here. It is kind of like a pre-workout in a way, but it also helps you with the ketosis. It helps you like get into ketosis. It helps with electrolytes. I don't know that much about it, but I know that it's good. So I drink it every day after my breakfast and before I've been working out now these last couple of days. I don't know if it's the energy, or I don't know if it's because I've been doing some kind of activity that I've been more thirsty and I've been peeing more. I don't know if you guys want to know that, but it is what it is. So I don't know. I just feel a whole lot thinner today. So I am excited to see what the scale says tomorrow. So hi guys, so today was weigh-in day and I weighed in at 162. So last week I was 162. The week before I was actually like 161.8, around 162-ish, you know. So I haven't lost anything. I actually gained a couple ounces. So I don't know, I'm a little bummed out just because I thought I was doing so good. I mean, I started Monday, but I thought I was doing so good getting back on track, and I incorporated some activity, and I don't know. So I'm actually super duper bummed. I even thought about not even posting this vlog. I thought about just, I don't know, not giving up, but like just not posting this weight loss vlog. But I kind of feel like this is going to help people. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't want my first vlog back to be a fail. So I'm just going to continue recording, and we're gonna go into next week and we're gonna push harder, and I will upload, like, the vlog is gonna be a 2-week period. So you're gonna see like 2 weeks of me, you know, on this journey, instead of like on a weekly basis for this vlog specifically, because I feel like I don't think I gave myself enough time. I started Monday technically and it's Friday. It's been like 5 days. So I don't know, I need more time. So we are going to continue on to next week, and obviously you guys are coming along with me, and hopefully we will lose weight. Like, I felt good, I felt skinnier. Like, I don't know what it was. The scale just didn't reflect it, but it's okay. We just gotta keep going. Like, that's why I'm keeping this, and I'm keeping the footage, just because I know that this is gonna help somebody. I know there are those of you out there that reach these plateaus and just freaking give up. So the whole point is, we can't give up just because we don't see the results like right away. We just have to keep going, because it's only gonna make us better. This is the butternut squash risotto I was telling you guys about. We just had it for dinner. It is so delicious, and it is only about 5 carbs for half a cup, so it isn't bad. And then I cooked it with this beef sausage. These are already cooked, so I just sliced them up and sauteed them with a little bit of butter. And that was our dinner, and I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese, and it was so delicious. So I bought these ice creams from the brand Enlightened. I've tried the coffee one, or the cold brew one, and it's so good, and it's only 4 net carbs. But I decided to try these out. They're a little bit higher in net carbs. This one is 6 net carbs, which is the peanut butter chocolate one. And then this one is 8 net carbs. So this one's a little high, but it was brownie and cookie dough, and I really wanted to try it, and it's Friday, so what the heck. But they're so good and creamy. I don't know about these, but I tried the cold brew one, and it was so creamy, so delicious. So I really wanted to try these out. So I will let you guys know how they... Hi guys, it is Monday, and I really didn't vlog this weekend because I fell off the wagon. Like, I fell off the wagon really bad. So I'm kind of a little bit ashamed of that because I really wanted to do, you know, good on the weekend. So it didn't take me that much longer to get back into ketosis and all of that during the week, and I would just bounce back better and be more motivated during the week so we can actually lose some weight this week. But that didn't happen. And yeah, so today's Monday, and I woke up super unmotivated, not wanting to do anything, hence this crazy hair and stuff like that. So that's what we're working with today. I didn't even want to work out, didn't even want to go for a walk. I just haven't wanted to do anything. Right now I just sat down. It's actually like 4 o'clock. I just sat down to edit a video that I filmed yesterday. So I sat down to edit it, and I prepared myself a little snack. This is some baby Swiss and pepperoni. So I'm gonna get to editing my video, enjoying my snacks, and hopefully the next time you guys see me, I will be more positive and more motivated. Test this out. It tastes fire. It tastes so good. I love the crispy part of the outside. So good. Recipe in the description. Hi guys, it is a brand new day, and I still feel like shit. I'm just kidding. No, I did wake up like really blah again, but we're not gonna, this whole vlog is not gonna be me feeling like crap. So I'm gonna push through and get my life together. I just had my breakfast. It was a little bit of sausage with some sunny side up eggs and some cheese. But yeah, let's go about our day. Hi guys, it's Thursday. I got a full face of makeup on. I actually just filmed a tutorial on this look right here. I'm calling it a pumpkin spice. Oh, I'm calling it a pumpkin spiced warm smoky eye because all of these colors just remind me of fall, pumpkin spice, and Aria just wants to talk. What are you doing? No. Anyways, I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys. So tomorrow is weigh-in day. And I don't know how proud I am of this vlog, to be honest with you. I know last week kind of ended like on a rough note because we didn't lose any weight, and I felt like I did good because I worked out a lot of the time, you know, or did some sort of activity. And I told you guys that this week we were gonna focus and we were gonna do good, and honestly I didn't do any kind of activity. So last week I started to go on the walks again, and I was incorporating some kind of activity in my everyday life, and it was going great and I felt great, but the scale didn't show it. And I think that discouraged me. Like, it discouraged me so much that I'm like, I'm making an effort to be active and it's not showing up. And I know I only did it for about 5-6 days, so I'm not giving myself enough time, you know? But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about working out because I know people out there struggle with working out for sure. Like, I'm sure there's some of you that just freaking hate it like me and just but I've been doing really good with the keto, so I've been sticking to my diet. So I'm hoping that that is going to help us out this week, and hopefully we lose some weight, at least a pound. I just want to see some kind of progress. So hopefully this vlog back is not like a total waste. I know that you guys really wanted them to come back, and I'm doing my best to just try and give you guys good content, but like, this is my everyday life. This is what I do. I eat my food, take care of my kid, film some videos, like sometimes I'll go on a walk. Like, that is just what I do, and I kind of hope that that's enough for you guys, that that's enough. So I know the reason why I stopped the vlogs was because of me. It wasn't because of you guys. Like, I stopped it because I felt like they weren't interesting enough. But after hearing all your feedback and knowing that you guys want these vlogs back, and you guys do care that I just cook egg salad all day and go for walks, then I am gonna bring them back, and I do feel like they do hold me accountable. So guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow at weigh-in day. Hi guys, happy weigh-in day. So it is Friday, and we weighed in at a whopping 159. That is 3 pounds down since last week. I was stuck at 162. You guys know, for about 3 or 4 weeks I was stuck at 162, and now we are at 159. We are officially in the 150s. Guys, this is crazy. Like, I'm so happy. We didn't work out this week, but maybe the working out from last week kind of kicked in, and we lost weight. So I am so excited, so motivated. This is great, guys. This is progress. See, that's why we can't give up, because you never know. Next week, look, my body dropped 3 pounds. Like, I mean, obviously I kept doing my keto and I kept, you know, eating pretty good, but you just have to have faith in yourself, and it's gonna work out. So I'm so happy that we are ending our first vlog back on a good note, because we lost 3 pounds. So this is only gonna motivate me to keep going and keep doing these weight loss vlogs. So I am so excited that I'm officially back, and I can't wait for you guys to see the rest of my journey. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next weight loss vlog. Bye guys.